Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to download any video from any website using Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and go to the website where the video you want to download is located. Now, open a new tab and go to Google. In the search bar, type Video Download Professional Chrome Extension and press Enter. Click on the first link that takes you to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're on the extension page, click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, you'll see the extension icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Go back to the video page you opened earlier. Reload the page so the extension can detect the video. Click on the Video Download Professional Extension icon in the top right corner. It will analyze the page and show multiple download options based on different video qualities. Select your preferred video quality. Click the download button next to it, and the download will start automatically, saving the file to your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder on your PC. You will see the video file there. Double-click to play it. And that's it. Now you can download videos from almost any website in just a few clicks using Google Chrome. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more easy tech guides. See you in the next video.